Waiting patiently, a viper fish. Special light-producing organs on its head entice prey towards fearsome teeth. Strange yet deadly jelly hunters also live here. Most simply drift, trailing tentacles loaded with lethal stings. Others, propelled by lines of beating hairs, glide gently through the darkness. Beroe, the top deep-sea jelly predator. They actively hunt other jellies, like this ctenophore. To grasp its gelatinous prey, Beroe has special teeth-like spikes in its mouth. Chiroteuthis. This deep-sea squid fishes for prey using long, sticky tentacles. Each has a glowing lure, pulsing to attract passing prey. A gentle twitch adds to the temptation. Down here in the darkness, this meal is a rare bonanza.